You've been globetrotting, racking up those sweet YouTrip savings, and now you're back home. You've got a balance sitting there, and you're thinking, how do I actually get this money into my bank account? Sound familiar? If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly transfer those hard-earned travel funds back into your everyday account, you're in the right place. Let's face it, YouTrip is fantastic for international spending. But what happens when the adventure is over? That's where the crucial step of withdrawing your funds comes in. It's not always as straightforward as you might think, especially if you're new to the platform. We're going to break down the entire process, step by step, so you can confidently manage your finances. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why this is important. YouTrip is designed for multi-currency spending, which means it holds your money in various wallets. When you're back home, you'll likely want to consolidate these funds into your local currency and deposit them into your bank. This not only simplifies your financial management, but also ensures you're not leaving money idle in your YouTrip account. Okay, let's get down to business. The core of withdrawing money from YouTrip involves a transfer to a linked bank account. Unfortunately, YouTrip doesn't offer direct cash withdrawals at ATMs, so we're focusing on the digital route. First things first, make sure you have your YouTrip app open and your account is logged in. Navigate to your main wallet screen. Here, you'll see your available balance. Now, here's the crucial part. You need to ensure your balance is in your local currency. If you have funds in other currencies, you'll need to exchange them. To exchange currencies, look for the Exchange or Convert option within the app. Select the currency you want to convert and the target currency, which should be your local currency. Enter the amount you wish to exchange and confirm the transaction. Remember, exchange rates fluctuate, so pay attention to the rate shown before confirming. Once your balance is in your local currency, you're ready to initiate the withdrawal. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option within the app. This will typically be located near your balance display. Here's where you'll need to have your linked bank account details ready. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll be prompted to do so. This usually involves entering your bank account number, bank name, and other relevant details. It's crucial to double-check these details to avoid any errors. Select the linked bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. YouTrip usually has a minimum withdrawal amount, so make sure you meet that requirement. Before confirming the transfer, review all the details carefully. Pay close attention to the amount, the bank account details, and any applicable fees. YouTrip may charge a small fee for withdrawals, so be aware of this. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. YouTrip will typically send you a confirmation notification. The processing time for the transfer can vary depending on your bank and the time of day, but it usually takes a few business days. Now, a couple of key points to keep in mind. Always ensure your YouTrip app is up to date to access the latest features and security updates. Regularly check your bank account to confirm the funds have been successfully transferred. And, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact YouTrip's customer support. They're there to help you resolve any problems. By following these steps, you can confidently withdraw your funds from YouTrip and transfer them to your bank account. It's a simple process once you understand the key steps involved. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.